Good morning, students. Welcome you all. Today we are going to start problem set 31, which is remaining our last problem set, standard 5th. So we have learned the interior and the exterior points, interior and the exterior in the circle, and points on the circle, and radius, diameter, what we have done and learned in the last lecture. So in this video we will learn about the arc of a circle. What is arc? See here, this is what arc, like this form. This is called what? Arc. So this figure shown the what this is what? A plastic bangle. If we break this bangle, so we get what? Two arc. This is what? Two arc, like what? A, B. So each of the part is an arc of a circle. On the given circle there are 2 points here, P and Q. These 2 points have divided the circle into 2 parts. Each of these parts is the what? Arc of a circle. This one, arc of the circle. Now how we will read this arc? So P and Q is what? PQ is what? Arc. It means what? P and Q have created 2 arcs. P and Q are the end points of both arcs. End points of the both arc. So an additional point is taken on each arc. अगर उन दोनों के बीच में कोई additional point है, so this point is used to give each arc a 3 letter. हमको कैसे letter में पढ़ना है? 3 letter में पढ़ना है. Like this, P S Q and here P R Q. How we will read this arc? PSQ and PRQ. Have you understood? So जो इस शेप में होता है इसको बोलते हैं आर्क, और आर्क को हम लोग ऐसे ही पढ़ते हैं जो 2 एंड पॉइंट से पढ़ा जाता है. So PSQ and PRQ. If there is mentioned there is 2 end points, so we have to read that arc from this to that. Okay. Now we will start problem set 31. In the figure alongside points S, L, M and N. See here, S, L, M and N are on the circle. ये सारे पॉइंट सर्कल पे है. Answer the questions with the help of the diagram. We have to answer the questions with the help of the diagram. First one is write the names of the arc with endpoints S and M. S and M here is saying what? End point, and we have to name the arcs with the end points. So what are the arcs with this end point? So arc S L M. What? Arc S L M and arc S N M. 2 एंड पॉइंट आपको बता दिया है S और M, और आपको इसी से आर्क बताना है. और अभी हम लोगों ने सीखा था कि अगर उसके बीच में और पॉइंट रहेगा तो हम लोग उसको 3 लेटर से भी जो है वो शो करते हैं. सो आर्क SLM एंड आर्क SNM. हियर यू हैव टू, इन योर नोटबुक यू हैव टू राइट दिस आंसर. व्हाट? आर्क SLM एंड आर्क SNM. Please write it in your notebook. Next, write the names of the arc with the end points L and N. Here is saying what? L and N is end point. Now in this question it is showing what? S and M as what? End point. And we have made the 3 letters what? Arc, and we have made 2 arcs. So here L and N is the end point, and we have to make the with this end point arc. What? L and N. If the Ln is end point, so what will be the arc? Arc LSN and arc LMN. What we will write? Arc LSN and arc LMN. Is that clear to you all? Next, question number 2. Write the names of the arc that points A, B, C and D in the given circle give rise to what? Write the names of the arc that points A, B, C and D. It means here it is saying what, all these endpoints, and we have to make the what, and we have to write the names of the arc which will make from this endpoint. So what we will write? So first we will see the endpoint, any two endpoints like this, A and C. If we see this two endpoints, so what will be the arc? So we will start from here, arc ABC, we will start from A, arc ABC, then we will start from B. So write it in your notebook. I am writing here, but you don't write in your textbook. Arc ABC, then start from B. Arc BCD, what? Arc BCD, then arc CDA, arc CDA, then arc DAB, arc DAB. Have you understood? Remember it. You have to start with what? Point A and name the three letters. Name what? Arc ABC, then BCD, then CDA, DAB. So it will be completed. Next, give the names of the arc that are made by points P, Q, R, S and T in the figure. Same thing you have to do in this question, what we have done in the second one. P, Q, R, S, T. These are the five points, but we have to do the same what we have done in these 4 points. So from P you have to start and write the names of the arc. From here, P, Q, R, then arc Q, R, S, then arc Q, R, S, then arc R, S, T, then arc S, like this form, STP. So you have to write the arc of this circle. Then this one is your homework. You have to complete it in your notebook. Don't write in your textbook. Write it in your notebook. Write the question and the answers and draw the figure also. So I hope you all have understood what is the arc and how to read and write this arc. Thank you so much, students. We have completed our lesson also, and do the practice of these questions. Thank you.